Welcome back, y'all. We got a little set here that we're gonna get together and unmold. And I'm actually gonna come around to do this because I feel like changing the camera angle. So let's start with this one because it's simple and to the point, and I don't think we have any issues with this tray. This is a set request. Yep, it's nice and clean, just the way I like it. Yep. All right, we got that. We're gonna add some foil accents to that per request. And this one, I did not realize that we had a leak, so I had to tape it. And I think I ordered another tray. Maybe I didn't because it hasn't arrived yet. It was a bit, oh child. I need to stop playing with the heat on these, but definitely gotta stop playing with the heat because it's getting soft. Oh child. Actually, I didn't add any heat to this. Now I'm thinking about it. Yeah, when I was curing this one, I don't think I put any lighter to this one. But this just means I need a new tray because the silicone is getting old. Because it should not be sticking to the mold like this, especially if I'm not like heating it up extra, which I do sometimes. Oh, there goes Leo. Oh, that's crazy. I'm gonna have to just buff this off on the sides. My goodness. See, like, that's wild. Like, why are we doing that? This is like stuck down the bottom. Like, that's crazy. This one too is, this is interesting. Okay. Okay, so it's all my corners that are stuck? Oh no, this one's good. See, I don't even want to pull it too hard because it might ruin the whole thing. Okay. Yeah, this is, this one, this is the last hurrah. I was hoping to have two so I can make, I don't have to wait till one's done to make another one because I actually have another tray that I have to make as soon as I'm done with this, but looks like I'm gonna have to wait on that because this is a dub. Oh my gosh, this is so bad. Well, it's a good thing this is so bad. Okay, so y'all are witnessing the end of this mold's life journey. That's really sad. Because look at this, like down in the corner there. He served a good life. Like all of this is still stuck. Like you see the imprint there? All of this is still stuck. Oh, okay. It doesn't look as bad as I thought it would. But I'm definitely gonna have to do a lot of cleaning up on this. My goodness, look at this. Such a perfect tray prior to this. Not fond of this, but it's an easy cleanup. I just don't want to have to clean up. You feel me? So yeah. You come back around. Uh-oh. Alright, so we got some love happening here. We got this rolling tray and heart, and this came out good other than the tray trying to ruin my life. But I'm gonna definitely go over this. I'm gonna buff down the edges and the sides. Probably do another layer of resin to, does this look cloudy? It's probably a glare because the sun's actually out. But do another layer of resin so that it's smooth and it's not like jagged or whatever. This, we're gonna add a little picture in there. Oh, that's perfect size. So yeah, so we got a little, and yeah, let me see if this would even work in here. This is kind of big. can do one on one side, one on the next side. Yeah, so we got like a little cute thingy here that we're gonna do. I'll figure out the placement on that in a second. But yes, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you are subscribed to this YouTube channel. Check out the podcast Pointless Talks, like how it's spelled up there. And that's all we got. So just like everything else we do here, Pointless Talks, Pointless Creates, whether you got here on purpose or by fate. Thank you so much for watching this Pointless Unmolding. Bye.